Philip Melugin founded Phoenix Home Care in 2011. A little more than a year later, the organization has seen astronomical growth. This is in large part due to Philip Melugin's strong leadership and the environment he creates within an organization. Here, the home healthcare administrator answers some questions he frequently receives about his leadership and how it factors into Phoenix Home Care's success. Q. When was Phoenix Home Care established? Philip Melugin. We opened our doors in May 2011 and, in just over a year, have grown to a company that employs more than 700. Q. How is this impacting the local economy? Philip Melugin. Phoenix Home Care was recently acknowledged for its positive economic impact by the Springfield Business Journal. Q. Describe the growth Phoenix Home Care has seen since 2011. Philip Melugin. We're currently annualizing $19 million, with 16,000 hours of service. This has helped provide additional jobs for healthcare workers and helped fulfill the need for services in the areas of Kansas and Missouri we support. Q. And you continue to grow. To what do you attribute your success? Philip Melugin. At Phoenix Home Care, we emphasize the importance of personalized, compassionate treatment for our clients. We believe this sets us apart from other healthcare agencies. Q. Does the fact that you're going into people's homes pose challenges? Philip Melugin. Yes, and this is why we choose our workers with great care. Our employees are expected to have the same commitment to quality care as our management team. We also place strong emphasis on core values when choosing employees. We believe that this value system filters down to our clients through our personnel. Q. How do you narrow that down in the interview? Philip Melugin. We have an in-depth interview process that screens applicants beyond their job history. It's important to us to find candidates who have a compassionate heart that will drive everything they do in providing care for our clients. We also stress Christ-like values of compassion, honesty, and patience for everyone who works for Phoenix Home Care. Prior to joining Phoenix Home Care, Philip Melugin was co-owner of Integrity Home Care and Assistant Vice President of Oxford Healthcare. Philip Melugin has served on several advisory boards to advocate for the advancement of treatment for the ABD population. Melugin lives in Missouri with his wife of 24 years and his children, 2 of whom are studying for careers in medicine.